cupcake looks really good. Maybe I'll just take one bite. Hey, what are you doing here? I was just trying to eat my cupcake. What did he say? It's not a real cupcake? Of course it's a real cupcake, no duh. Squish it? What do you mean I'm gonna wreck it? Fine, I'll just wreck my cupcake. Huh! This is so satisfying. I love it. Well, other than the weird intro, hello. Hi, Bells. Well, welcome back to another YouTube video. And welcome back to my channel as well. So if you're watching this, if you're watching this, you're in luck today because I'm going through my squishy collection and probably none of you know what I have in my squishy bin. So let's get rolling. My curtains just moved. But otherwise, before we start this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below, and let's get rolling. At this point, my squishy bin is just overflowing. If that's not craziness, I don't know what is. Chaotic. I'm just going to go through a couple at a time, so let's do this. First of all, I have this cake. This is one of my very first squishies, I think. It's bad. Second, I have this really good cupcake squishy. It was my DIY squishy, and I'm surprised it's actually pretty good. So soft. Oh, I bought this at the mall. It's a little s'more. And he's so cute. Oh, this thing. Many of these has popped on me before. This one I've had for so long and I've squished it so many times. I don't think it's going to pop, but it's an Orbeez gummy bear. And you can find little charms in it, like that blue one right there, that yellow one. And there's an orange one somewhere. I don't want to spend time looking at it. Looking for... Oh, there it is. Never mind. Where did it go? Right there. That thing. Do you see it? Well, yeah. Then I got a stack of pancakes. Big glob of butter. Oh, guess what? I have more pancakes. These pancakes are way bigger and less pancakes, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which pancakes would you take? I would take these ones because they're bigger. And I can just put maple syrup and butter on it if I wanted to. But this one's the better squish. Aha. So, I got this Minion squishy one here for my birthday. And I did a birthday haul. So if you scroll through my channel a little bit, you'll find a birthday haul. And the squishy was in it because one of my very sweet friends got this for me. And I treasure it so much. So much. Nextly, I have an ice cream cone. I didn't really look it. It's a cotton candy ice cream cone I'm kind of getting at. And it's really good. Ooh, a cinnamon roll. The cinnamon roll squishy is so good. I love it. She cute? Okay. Then I have the Smart Cookie. This one is probably one of my slowest rising squishies ever. I have my whole collection, probably. Oop. Then I have a pineapple with sunglasses on. I did some stuff to him. I put some puffy paint all over his neck because it was like ripping. And now there's this weird stuff everywhere. That puffy paint. But otherwise, it's still really good. One of my friends painted this, but it started the chip started painting. The paint started chipping. And, just a failed experiment. Really sad for him. Ooh, this is one of my fidgets. This monster guy. Don't know what's in the squishy bin. But yeah, it was one of my fidgets at one point. And I was very firstly obsessed. I mean, I'm still obsessed, but like, this poor baby unicorn, oh my gosh, she's been through so much. I gotta puppy pay him. Look at his neck. But he's also one of my very softest squishies. See, and then that'll take a while to get back up. I got this for Christmas. It's a mermaid squishy. I mean, it's pretty good. It's one of them foam squishies. Whatever. And then I got a chicken. I got this from Five Below. I really want to go to Five Below again. But yes. Love him. I have this is my first squishy ever. This was foam squishy. It's a little tiger. It's a keychain, so I can hang it on my backpack if I wanted to. And yeah. What is this doing here? It's one of these things that you put in like your skin and it comes out of the mouth. But this one's out of its skin. And I don't know where the skin is. Oh, here's a good example. This is what it is. I'll show you. They were both from the same set, but I don't know where that skin went for that one. Oh, I found it! Okay, I had a costume cutie. I finally found a costume. And here's the little cutie. It's a duck. He's adorbs. And I'm just going to put him in his costume because he deserves to be in his costume. There. Wonderful. He's so cute. I don't know why he's in a bear costume, though. It's kind of adorable. In a way. But sort of not. Oh, this is one of my favorites, Lily's. It's a dinosaur. I could play with him all day. Then I got this sloth. My friend bought it for me. It's not the best squishy in the world, but you know, he good. He fine. He fresh. He funky. Oh, here's another really slow rising one. So just a little puppy. And I have a lot of those. Almost too many. And I got this at the dollar store for Halloween, their Halloween event. So I got this ghost squishy. Memories. And then I got a cake. Ugh, this squishy, it kind of sucks. But, you know, it's cute. It's cute. We cute. Then I got this ice cream sundae with a strawberry on top. Adorbs! Then I have this fuzzy cat squishy. Very soft. Very nice. Sorry guys, everything's falling in your face. This is also one of my very first squishies. It's a cake from Shopkins. Back when Shopkins used to make squishies. Ooh. A Care Bear Mash'ems. Wonderful. Oh, a waffle from Shopkins. I have so many Shopkins squishies. Oh my goodness. Ah, I have a blueberry pie from them as well. I also have a pair of popsicles, but they're in my fidget bin. They're really good too. Going off the Shopkins thing for a second, I got a narwhal for Christmas as well. Here's another sloth. They can be buddies. Squish, squish. I got a lot more, so I gotta keep hurrying. I got a peanut butter and jelly, strawberry, A star with initials on it. I'm not gonna show you them. This donut squishy. This llama or alpaca, whatever you want to say. What is this? A dolphin looking thing? Don't know, but she cute. I got a hamburger with a hole in it. A stress ball. One of my fidget collection. I don't know how it got there. DIY bear donut squishy. Another donut. Shopkin pencil. Shopkin donut. I did an unboxing on this. A chicken. Another dinosaur I DIY'd somehow. He's so derpy. More Shopkin stuff. Llama heads. This Shopkin soda. Another cat from that same brand. Ooh. Octopus Orbeez squishy. Strawberry I custom made ombre. I'm just grabbing and going. Oh, my unicorn! I'm keeping this out. Me and my friend each have one. I don't know if she still has hers or not. A rainbow. Stack of cookies. A cat. A broken unicorn. Oh, geez. A sheep. Ice cream cone I painted but didn't finish. This unicorn donut. Donut. Bee. Hold on, I'll be right back. Another Shopkin's heart. Some emoji stress ball. Corn dog. And a hot fudge sundae cake. Wait, and this little dude. I also was obsessed with paper squishies. I made so many. Here's one of them. This is my dog's toy. It's a 3D, my very first 3D one I made. Pretty good. And then shortly after that, I decided I could make good paper squishies, 3D paper squishies, so I made a pack of crayons. They work. Oh my goodness. Well, it's in! Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you made it this far, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on that notification bell. Oh yeah, and one more thing. No, two. So remember that 500 subscribers I wanted by my birthday? Well, there's still one more month till my birthday, or less than a month really. And maybe I was wondering if we get to 600 or 700. 700 will be great, but 600 is really our goal. And the second thing, I think I already addressed this, but I was checking our subscriber chart once again. More people subscribe, but most of y'all aren't still subscribed. So please, if you would subscribe, I'd be the happiest girl in the world. I promise. And I can grow my channel more. And if you guys start leaving comments, maybe someday I'll do a Q&A. Hint, hint. So leave comments and saying, asking all questions you want. So, yeah. Alright, see ya, Bella Squad. Bye. Peace.